Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. First, let me apologize if you've already viewed and commented on this video that I accidentally deleted it this morning while loading another one. There was 2 videos of this, and one of them said there was an error, so I deleted it, and it deleted both videos, so yikes. So please forgive me if you've already seen this, or if you commented and I haven't acknowledged your comment. It's because I had to do this video again because I deleted it off of everything thinking it was okay. So this is an unboxing from Your Creative Studio. They asked me if I would do this, and I went on their site and I really liked what they had, so I said yes, I would. So this is the March subscription box, and it's bee themed, and I will leave links to the website and this particular subscription box in the description box below. And I did go and look on the site, and they have a la carte things, I will say, like stamps and stickers and different things like that. So go check them out. And this is absolutely a stunning bee-themed subscription box. I love everything in it. And of course, I've done this video 3 times, so I've already opened it. This will be my 3rd time. So it comes in this pretty box, and you get this. You can even use this in your journal. A lot of things in this can be used for junk journaling, and also other crafts like making tags, cards, all little things. And it's so pretty. And this is Your Creative Studio is what it's called. And you can even use this pretty paper that everything comes in the box. And it has this on the top. It says Your Creative Studio. Very, very pretty. So we're going to open this up, and we're going to look at everything on the inside. And this is an envelope that has cling stamps in it. And I will say that I'm very impressed with the stamps in this set. They are very detailed, and I love detailed stamps like this. And I'm getting like a shiny, because it has like a shiny look to it. This little jelly jar says honey on it, and I don't know if you can see that. It's really, really cute. It's about 1 inch, and I did stamp it. Let me get my stamp. Isn't that cute? That is this stamp right here. And like I said, it's about 1 inch. Let me go ahead and measure it. Yeah, it's 1 inch, and the other one is 7/8 of an inch. So really, really cute. And I know if you follow me, if you've been following me for a long time, I made a white on white mini album, and I used these detail stamps in it. And I thought it was fantastic. I didn't color them. I just used them to accent my pages. And these are the type of stamps that you use for that. And this one is the other little honey that you see. Okay. And then this one here, which is the bee and the honeycomb, which is right here. And you could do the bee in a little bit of yellow, and then put some diamond stickles on their wings, and it would be absolutely stunning in a junk journal, on a tag, or a little card, some little note cards. It would be beautiful. I absolutely love these stamps. So that's that. These stamps right here. And then you get let's see, I think this is, nope, that's not it. You get another stamp, and I don't know where my stamp went. Let me look inside here. Oh, I put this in the wrong one. Okay, this goes in the little envelope. Okay, you get another stamp. This one is large. This one is This one is 4 inches, so that's a really good size. Beautiful for a tag. And I'm going to show you this one stamped. Now, I didn't do any coloring on this, but this would be beautiful on a junk journal page on the corner, or one of the corners. Just gorgeous. I would have stamped this on a yellow page in my yellow Sunflower and Bee junk journal. So this set makes me want to go and make another Bee and Sunflower junk journal. I've already made 3 of them, but it makes me want to go and do another one. So that's this one, and you see all the beautiful details in this stamp. These stamps are amazing. I love the detail. All right, in this bag we have some washi tape, and this is very beautiful. There's like a golden, orange, and yellow in this, and see the bees? Really pretty bees and flowers, and a honeycomb background. And you get quite a bit on the roll. Another good thing for tags and junk journals and cards. And you get a bookmark in your subscription box, and this has a little yellow flower and some bees and honeycomb and little flowers. Very cute. And on the back here it shows you how you can use your bookmark in your junk journal, or you can even use it in a book if you want to. So cute. Very pretty. So yeah, I'm going to have to make another Sunflower and Bee junk journal. Now these, they're called Dazzling Flowers. These stickers I use already. I have used them in the Cottage Girls projects that I have been sharing with you, the series on my channel. And I love these stickers. And these are the ones that I have. And you can see I'm almost done with this pack. And this comes with the ones to coordinate with the papers and the theme in this subscription box. And I love them. They have gold foiling. They're very sparkly, holographic, just beautiful. And all you do is just cut around these and take the backing off and stick them on your project. So they're good for tags and cards. I put some of these on my purses that I did just to up the appearance on the decorated paper. Very pretty. And each one of these is different. And they do have butterflies on them. Very beautiful. I really love these. So I'm happy to get these. And you also get these sticky notes. And this is such a beautiful background. I would put the whole thing in my junk journal. I just would. I just paste it on one of the pages because it's so pretty. And they're just gorgeous. These are sunflowers with a little bee, and then you have a honeycomb background. Just gorgeous. I love it. Then you get bee stickers, and these just peel right off the page, and they're clear. It's almost like a vellum. So me personally, I would color the little bee just a little bit on his body, and I would put some diamond stickles on the wing, and that will up that. It'll make it gorgeous. They're already pretty, but I would like color it just for my own preference. All right. Then you get this Matchbox. In it are a bunch of sweet little tags that all coordinate with all the little pieces of paper and different things that you get in this kit. And there appears to be 2 of each of the little tags that you get. And this is wonderful for making a snippet roll. You can tuck these behind flowers and little die cuts and things like that. And they look wonderful, and they make they pull everything together to make it look amazing. So that's that. Then we have this, which says written memory, and these are all little pieces. It's like in a booklet style here, and they're all like written letters. And the colors all coordinate with this kit. So you get like yellow and browns and some with a little orange tinge. This one is green. And they all look like vintage letters. It's awesome. This is great for making your ephemera in your junk journal, or putting these as backgrounds on tags. They're gorgeous. I'm not going to bore you with putting that back in there. And then we have this one that says Retro Creative Material Package. And this also is good for your snippets and tags. And I think you could probably even make some envelopes out of these, some tiny envelopes. And here we have all these gorgeous designs. And some of them are paper. And then in this section here, this is vellum. Look how pretty that is. Very pretty, right? Gorgeous. I like that. That would be so pretty on a page or a tag for your junk journal. There's a bunch of them in here. So pretty. And I'll show you a few more pages. There's flowers, leaves. This is vellum as well. I'll show that to you. See how beautiful that is? Gorgeous. And some more. The vellum are like two-sided because you can see through it. And they're botanical pieces like this. Beautiful on a tag, right? All right, that's that. That comes in here. And then we have this little book right here. And this is wonderful, filled with beautiful images. This is perfect for your snippets, or to put in envelopes, or tuck in little spots in your journal that you could write on the back of these. And there's a whole bunch of different designs. I love this botanical fern. Look at that with the butterfly. These are gorgeous, and they're very vintage looking. I like this one with the strawberries. I don't know if I said this, but you can use this in snippets. So pretty. And then when you get to the middle of this little booklet, there are several sheets that are vellum. And see how beautiful that is? You can see it better when I put the paper behind it. We have this one here, which is a cute little owl. He's almost like a steampunk little owl. So cute. He's got a little hat with feathers on. And when this one here is some dragonflies. See how pretty that is? It says postcard. It's so pretty. So if you put this on a white tag or something like that, you're going to see the images on it really well. There's one with a cute little bunny. Look at that. Isn't that cute? You use your Art Institute glitter glue in the back of that, and it'll be just flat. You won't get any images that you don't want. Can't find the words. And that's a little bird cage. And then you have some that are black and white in here. Look at this owl. This is gorgeous. I think that's so pretty, and it's got some text right there. Amazing. Here's the black and white ones. Here's some fruits, flowers, all kinds of things. And then after the vellum, you go back to the vintage images. A lot of butterflies and plants and birds. Look at that. It's so pretty. So you get a big, thick book like that in your subscription box. And then we have this right here, and this is very, very thin material. And when I took it out of here the first time, It feels like tissue paper almost, but it's got a wax top to it. And I thought, oh my gosh, this would make beautiful little envelopes for your waterfall. And I have a tutorial for that in the Cottage Girl series on how to make waterfalls out of wax paper and glassine bags. And this would make a beautiful envelope for that. So go check that out. And you get 4 sheets of this. So it makes me, like I said, it makes me want to go and do a sunflower and bee junk journal with these beautiful pieces of papers and ephemera. And last but not least, you get this package, and this is your Creative Studio paper ephemera, and it contains 24 sheets. And the 24 sheets are these 6 designs, and you get 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, which has a texture, and 6 pattern paper, and I'm going to show that to you. These are gorgeous pieces of paper. I could see beautiful tags made out of these. And this is the paper, so look at the text in there and the border of the bees. So pretty. You get this one, and you get this one, and this one. I love the colors in this. So pretty. You got the little bee here is on the honey jar. There's the honey. There's a bee up in the flower. This is a honeycomb with flower there and bees and pretty flowers down here. And these are the vellum pieces. This is gorgeous. Look at how pretty that is. I would actually score this on the top, fold it over, and glue it to the top of the page of a junk journal, and so that you could lift this up and write underneath it. This would be so beautiful like that. You have that one. And this one again. So these repeat, but these are the vellum ones. And I'll put it on the white so you can see it. Look at how gorgeous that is. Woo! And this one, pretty pretty. And then we get to the sticker pages. Now, I'll go ahead and show you that this whole page is a sticker. So you could actually die cut on this and stick it in your journal or your project. See that? The whole thing. So you get one of each of the same design in that. So this could coordinate throughout your whole journal, and I really like that. These are all the sticker pages. And then you get 6 of these art pages, which have a nice texture on them. And again, you get 6, so you get 1 of each design. And then that's the backing paper. I would even use this in my junk journal. Use everything up. All right. I thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.